Is it trick or treat, Erica?
The best time of year out here. And instead of talking about work today, I'm thinking we talk about all the fun things that are on the menu for this month's October Halloween spooktaculars.
We've got the Town of Davie Halloween happenings. Well, I know that we have a spooktacular going on at the Burgeron Rodeo grounds on October 28th. I believe it's from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. to be exact. We're going to have some not so spooktacular events happening.
Ivy.
Hey, darling, how are
We're
you?
doing some announcements about what's going on in October.
Absolutely.
Well, I'm
It's
going to
spooky
take
time.
I'm going to take some of your time. I love Southwest Ranches, but I love Weston too, and I do live there. And there is something really cool happening in this town, Spooky Halloween, and this is going to be on Tuesday, October 31st, so the real day.
Okay.
Right? From 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Make sure that you guys, walk around the town center and check out the decorations. This is a great time of the year when, everything starts getting very holiday-ish.
And remember, beware of the spookathon. What's going on?
Here in Southwest Ranches, my favorite Halloween event every year is the trunk or treat in the Rolling Oaks barn. We have the haunted house, well, the haunted barn in our case.
The haunted barn.
We have the hay bale decorating contest, which I failed miserably at last year. You should see some of the stuff that these people do. It is incredible. But the best part is it's super safe. It's a 46-acre equestrian park, and it's like tailgating Halloween style. Our truck or treat event is the night of Saturday, October 28th from 6 to 9 p.m. in the Rolling Oaks Equestrian Park.
Well, doesn't get any better than that. And we're all looking forward to seeing you there. Well, also, let's not forget that the city of Plantation has their own trunk or treat event, which is actually held on Halloween. It has been relocated to a new location, which is actually going to be 320 South Pine Island Road. That's going to be a pretty fun event. Let's try to attend both.
Why not? The kids definitely won't be complaining about that.
Absolutely.
The adults either.
So we look forward to seeing everyone there.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Spookoween. Spookoween.